Hey guys, it's King Malcolm here and I'm back with another video. If you guys read the title, then you know exactly what we're doing today. We're doing an unboxing and a review on the new Yeezy 350 V2 Boost Clays. Now, before I even get into like the shoes and the background, let me go by saying this. I am not a hype beast, because these are like the second pair of Yeezys I have, and yeah, I'm not a hype beast. For those of you who don't know what a hype beast is, Urban Dictionary excuse the phone, but Urban Dictionary defines a hype beast as a kid that collects clothing, shoes, and accessories for the sole purpose of impressing others. Although that individual might not have a dime to their name, they like to front like they are making far more than everybody else. Equipped with mommy's credit card, the hype beast will try his hardest to make sure he has every pair of Nikes he saw Jay-Z wearing on 106 in Park. This is old for one. This is from like 2006, but you kind of get the point. They're basically like people who want to buy all the clothes and shoes that are hyped up at the moment. Now, when I was getting these, met a few hype beasts. We're about to get into that. So, I got the shoes just off a chance, off a whim. I have the Finish Line app and they sent me notification like enter a raffle for, to get a reserved pair of Yeezys. So I was like, why not? Okay, look, I enter just about every raffle. I never win. But this time, I had a winning ticket. So your boy wasn't going to pass up the chance to get some Yeezys. I've been working hard at work and doing YouTube. So I was like, why not treat yourself? Get yourself a little gift. So I confirmed that I was going to pick these up. And Lord Jesus, pickup day, never. And I mean never again in my life will I go get a pair of shoes from the mall on release day. Never again. For one, I'm impatient. Lord knows I'm impatient. Two, I had to go to work that day. And three, I just hate waiting in lines. Like, that goes back to the impatient thing. But and two, their setup was stupid. The setup was so stupid. So I get there and I notice this line. The Jordan 1 Tinkers or 2 or 3, whatever Jordan Tinkers with the removable swish were coming out the same day. So you got all these people in line for these Yeezys and for these Jordans. But they did a reserve pair and there was not a separate line. Which I didn't like because there were people who were there to get a pair that were open that they didn't reserve. And people who had reserves. And very few people get a raffle ticket for the reserve. So I'm in line with like all these 40-year-old hype beasts and these kids who are trying to buy up like every pair that they can. Like literally there were like 15-year-olds trying to buy up every pair. These boys got a pair and they had their like girlfriends in line. And the girl didn't even know what she was getting. So finally I'm almost to the front and they announce there's no more open pairs. So if you want an open pair, wait in this line over to the right for after 12 o'clock, after all the reserves come and you can get whatever left. So after they weed out everybody, behind me there's like 5 other people. So what they were trying to tell me is if they had set this up right from the get-go, there only would have been maybe 10 people in line. So, and they were only letting like 3 people in the store at a time. And like, it was just irritating me. If you follow me on Snapchat, which you should, it's linked down in the description. Go follow for all YouTube updates. Shameless plug, gotta love it. But if you follow me on Snapchat, you would have known I was just irate after that. Like, I'm impatient, I hate waiting in line. So with that done and out of the way, let's get into the shoe. Here's the box. It says Boost on the side, it's probably backwards. 350 on top, standard Yeezy stuff. I wear a size 11, so I got a size 11. And let's get into the shoe itself. here it is. It is a very much clay color. The, you know, trademark Adidas Boost down at the bottom. And say what you want about Kanye. These shoes are mad comfortable. Love the Yeezy. I am a fan of the Yeezy Boost. The 350s at least. I haven't got a pair of the 700s and the 500s yet. I believe those are the numbers. You can tell, see the slam. You know I'm not a hypebeast because I don't know the numbers. But the color. It's a very clay, orangish coral type of color. For, you know, my fans of, you know, colors, and they can tell you, because I was going to say it's just an orange. But what does it say on the box? It doesn't say what color it is on the box. It just says clay. So yeah, it's an orangish clay color. The color actually grew on me. It's a color that I like. It's new. Because if you know me personally, I wear a lot of dark colors, a lot of grays, a lot of blacks, a lot of dark blues. Blue's my favorite color though, so don't come at me for wearing blue all the time. It's my favorite color. But I wear a lot of blacks and blues. There's some red and there's some sprinkle of colors in there. But these are my favorite one so far. They have this like see-through panel that also have on my Yeezy 350s, oh my god, statics. This little see-through panel right here. So I mean, if you have like some nice socks you want to show off, I mean, you can see them. They're breathable. They are mad comfortable. I love a comfortable shoe, comfortable sneaker, gym shoe, whatever you call them in your area. Love a comfortable shoe. And the color is new and unique. Great for the spring and the summer. Dog, he did his thing on this one. I love like the knit and all of that. And it's a refreshing change because my other ones are white. I might show them in this video at some point. Some kind of random thing to say. But yeah, I like these. They weren't a shoe that I'm like, yeah, I might not like these. I might not get them. But when I won that raffle, I was like, I gotta take a chance. You got the money. You've been working hard. Get yourself a pair of Yeezys. And for any naysayers out there, I dare you to try a pair on. Yo, I was against the Yeezys when they first came out, but once I actually, you know, they started to look nice and I got a couple. These are my second pair right now. But once you try them on, I see why people go ham, go crazy, go stupid over these shoes. Because they're mad comfortable. I like their aesthetic. I like these ones, these clay colored ones. Let me go get the other ones to show you guys what the other ones look like. Alright, and I am back. And this is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Statics. And they're like, this one is actually more me than this one. It's like white and gray. And like, I like them. These will make great summertime shoes. So I'm ready for the weather to heat up. You know, if you don't know, I live in Ohio. And it's like spring, it's kind of sunny now. We got more light in this video because there's natural light from the window. But yeah, I haven't had a chance to wear these out yet, and I'm excited to wear them out. But these were the first pair of Yeezys that I got, and I liked them. They were very, very, very comfortable. Got these for myself for Christmas. And then these ones are just like a refreshing change with this clay color. I'm excited to see what kind of outfits I can put together. This one actually goes with this jacket that I have on right now. Boom. Windbreaker. I love a windbreaker. Should I do windbreaker videos? I've noticed you guys are enjoying the fashion videos on my channel, so I'm trying to give you guys more of these fashion type videos, clothing videos, shoe videos. Only thing I have with these ones is that I missed the opportunity to get the static reflective, because these ones aren't reflective, but there are ones that are, and I wish I could, but the resale value on those are insane. But Yeah, I'll insert some slow-mo shots, some up-close shots of both of these actually, so you can see what they look like. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to give you guys more fashion content since that's what you guys seem to like. And I want to do a Q&A, and let's hope it doesn't flop this time. I tried to do a Q&A before and nobody sent me any questions. So leave some questions down below in the comments. My Instagram and my Twitter are linked in the bio, as well as my Snapchat, so send me questions there. And I just really want to get some good content for you guys. So thank you, my kingdom, for watching. And I will see you guys next time.